Hello foodies, welcome to Foodie Rules. This is Vamshi back with another yummy recipe that is of sandwich, which is very tasty, yummy, and of course finger licking good. This is creamy cucumber sandwich. This is spicy, creamy, and also very soft to eat. So to make that, I have taken half cup of grated processed cheese. You can also use cheddar cheese, in which I'm going to add 1/4 cup of boiling hot milk. So you need to add boiling hot milk so the cheese get melted. If the cheese doesn't melt, you can melt it in double boiler, or else you can pop it into microwave for 30 seconds. Then when your cheese melts like this, you need to add 1/8 cup of grated carrot. Then for some color, then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of chopped cucumbers. You can also grate the cucumbers. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Then I'm going to mix everything. I'm not going to add salt. If you add salt, we just will leave the water, and this doesn't have the texture of yumminess. Then I'm going to mix. The consistency of the sauce should be like this. The filling should be like this. You can also add corns, bell peppers, fried bell peppers, or chicken. It's up to you. Then I've taken 2 sandwich breads, and I'm going to add generous amount of my filling to one of the bread. So I'm not going to grill or cook it on the pan, because while cooking the cucumber will release so much of water. When the cucumber cooks, that doesn't have that crunch and that doesn't taste so good. So it is a plain naked sandwich. So after you're done, you need to keep the bread on top and press it a little bit, and that's it. Your sandwich is ready. So if you want a grill marks, you can actually grill the sandwich. You can grill the sandwich bread and make it, but don't cook the filling on the pan. So that's it, guys. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for the rules. Leave a comment below and stay connected.